Go, DeAndre.
Wait, where's your board?
I don't see knee pads on you guys. That's not cool safety.
I'm gonna do the coolest trick ever.
DeAndre, move.
Check it. Good.
Oh, yo.
Okay. You don't feel good.
Oh, good thing he had his helmet on.
Good thing I have my helmet. Didn't feel good. Just that from my I'm done. Okay, here. Okay, we're ready. Oh, wait, one last second.
Just let him do his thing.
Okay, let's take a video of him doing a trick.
No. You guys don't want me to fail? Crutches already?
Yeah,
do
we
it.
already got the crutches with cycling on.
Do a trick. What? No, not you, him.
DeAndre. All right, there.
Do a trick. Yeah, definite blooper.
You guys can make bloopers at the end.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to say something?
No, wait, let me see.
Let me do
I'm gonna do something really quick. Wait, Parker, you have to come and help me. Okay, I'm gonna that was a blooper. That was another blooper. Are we supposed to say something?
30 seconds. 360.
Wait.
That was 30 seconds.
Okay.
Oh,
All right, ready, go.
watch this cool trick.
Help it! I want my body. Help it!
Oh no, careful with that dirt right there.
You're supposed to come and help me, Julian.
I didn't know we were
Yeah.
filming right now.